Hi, Blind Guy Garage again. 79 Malibu. Already did like a here it is video. Got one finally video, and we went through it. Got the motor running, but the cam is wiped out. 305, and it's got no testicular fortitude whatsoever. And the transmission goes forward no matter what you're doing. You put it in park, it's trying to go forward, but the parking pole stops it. You put it in reverse, it goes forward. You put it in neutral, it's going forward. And if you put it in forward, well, it goes forward. So that's no good on it either. And so we're going to put a motor and trans in it. I've got that stuff sitting in the shop, just trying to accumulate everything I want to do to it. Got to fix this. Got to get a new one of those. Dadgummit. And it don't have the little fin doohickey right there. And I put these on there because there's holes there and nobody covered them up. So that tape works really good. It's vapor barrier tape. This is their suspension from the Mercedes that's on the channel for a hot second because we scrapped one. And it is potentially going to fit under that car, you see. And then I also have an airbag kit in the shop that I just traded for, and that is a little air tank with the 4 airbags, air lines, a controller, and instructions and everything. And then it does all of it. It does all of that stuff. And I'm probably going to go back with a normal 350. It's just going to be a lot faster to get the car back together. And I'm not trying to go a crazy high power level, because if I use that, I have no idea what that can handle. It came out of it. If you know, you let me know. But in the comments below. But came out of a 2000 something. I think a 2002 Mercedes B320. Looks basically, to me, it looks basically like it's like the Chrysler 300 or something. But yep. But we're gonna do that, and then I could show you the bag kit. But that's the update on this project. I don't know if I'm gonna if it stays this color, I think I ought to name it hot chocolate, because it's like almost chocolate brown. It's not a very pretty color, but we may not even paint the thing or anything for a long time. It may have to go that way. Oh, and I don't know where they're at. Let me see. I don't know where I put them, but I have something that's kind of cool. What's your name? Oh, there's some exhaust from the Mercedes. Where did I put it? Maybe I put it over here. Oh yeah. See this? This is some exhaust pipelators. But guess what? That's the exhaust pipes from a NASCAR Cup car from back in the day. And those may end up being on that. So, we'll see. This, or maybe the square body crew cab on the new school chassis project. But I got them. I don't know what I'm going to do with them 100%, but there's some daggum NASCAR boom tubes for something. But it's not a very long video able to be done here, mainly because well, Just can't get started on this one just yet because we've got other irons in the fires. But it is to come. Thank you guys for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and y'all stay blessed.